We are building new world for agriculture.
With this BioBoosters program, we probably are able to change the whole mindset.
There's a huge demand in the agriculture for new ideas and innovations.
They see world different compared to, let's say, the bigger company like we are.
We want to seek for new technologies and new capabilities that are beyond our own.
Brings us all together is that we all have the same goal and mission, accelerating the green transition.
The catch is that we meet new people, we network with the new people.
We offer 100x speed to R&D cycles by offering cloud scalability and quantum-ready algorithms for engineering simulations. This will revolutionize the way how quickly companies can innovate.
We build digital infrastructure to build data interoperability and trust in the value chain of food.
Our support to a smart farming initiative towards electrification, slowly and gradually moving away from a diesel engine and moving more towards a solution where the battery pack is the main driving force and the main energy provider for those tractors.
Laser weeding is a really organic system. We have no chemicals, nothing.
We help farmers remove pests and weeds, and we have this winter machine where we use microwaves in combination with frozen soil and target seed banks and weeds with deep root systems and pests.
Agriculture is increasingly relying on sensor data, remote operations and AI. Our XRTC enables that the connections are really fast and reliable, even in remote farming areas where typically the networks are weak.
Our solution would aim to help the agri-food value chain get transparency of its carbon emissions throughout the chain.
This is a really unique way of bringing together the ecosystem. For example, these industry partners, Valtra, Neste, Akkopower, then universities like Jyväskylä University of Applied Sciences, all these amazing startups from Europe, and it was great that we were invited to the investors.
BioBoosters program has been an excellent place to meet people, hear about their requirements, what they need, and really to plan POCs that we can do together.
Until now, we had no connection to the Nordics. So that's one point, that we get access somehow to Nordic companies and Nordic advisors and learn about their view on these things.
The BioBoosters program has offered us market access insights, funding opportunity insights, as well as the opportunity for potential collaboration with large corporations.